Hello guys, today I am going to make DIY hair clips from mseal. At first I will make the two portions mix and make a dough. And with this type of tool I am going to make the petals of the flower. Now I will apply a white coat of gesso on it and a white fabric color. Now you can apply any of your favorite color on the flower, which is gonna really very cute. Apply a coat of varnish, then attach the stones. Now you are ready to attach the flowers on the hair clips. And it's the final look. If you like my video, then give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.